Well, this is the festive season and MI has launched their new smart band at a very, very affordable price. So it should be an easy upgrade for people who have the MI Band 3 and a really, really good product to buy for people who've not bought it yet. Well, let's see how this band holds up to its predecessor and what features it has this time around. There are not many path-breaking changes, but visually something that's very strikingly different is the fact that in the MI Band 3 there was circular depression right under the display. With the MI Band 4 there is a flat surface that can be used as a touchpad. The MI Band 4 features a button lock mechanism, and the good thing with the MI Band 4 is that you can change the strap of the band very easily. You can just pop the unit out and then you can change the color of the band, and you can change it on a daily basis also if you are into that. This has a 0.95 inch display, a 240 by 120 pixel rectangular shape, and the pixel density is 282 ppi. Well, since the MI Band 4 does not have its own GPS, it uses the GPS that's already on the phone to record data such as walking, running, cycling, and the many activities that you want to do in your life. It's very neat. You get a sleep tracker which tracks the amount of sleep that you've had the previous night, and of course it gives you a tracking of the quality of sleep as well, along with comparison with the data of all of the MI Band community. Using the MI Fit app, which is actually very well designed, you can really play around with it and tinker and toil with it very well. It also gives you a variety of watch faces and display backgrounds, which is very appealing. It also has active notifications and calling features, which are part of the MI Fit app. Well, talking about some of the features and some of the performance, we have the display, which is very easy to use. It's a touch display. Even if there is some water droplets that come on the screen, whether you're running around, whether you're washing your hands, or even if you're using it at the gym and you happen to sweat a little bit, you will be able to use the touchscreen even with the water droplets on, which is kind of interesting. It comes with a 135 milliamp hour battery, which is quite a lot for a band, and they say that it will last you for 20 days without a charge. But I would take that with a pinch of salt. I usually charge it once every couple of weeks. It does last you very long, but if you don't use a lot of the workout apps, if you don't use a lot of notifications, and you don't use it in the full capacity, if you have it all dialed down, then it may last you for 20 days without a charge. Well, the Xiaomi MI bands have been acing the fitness bands market for a very long time, and they sell in pretty high volumes. And there's a reason for that, because you're getting so many features, especially with the MI Band 4. It is really worth a steal. I mean, MI has been selling a lot of bands for cheaper price points before, but even at this price point, I think this is definitely worth a buy.